Welcome to the pharmacy, Sarah. Today we'll learn real-life English you can use when buying medicine. Start by greeting the pharmacist politely. A simple hello or good morning creates a friendly conversation. Speak slowly and clearly, and don't worry about making small mistakes.
Hello, good morning. I'm looking for some medicine, please. I'm not sure where to start because this is my first time speaking English in a pharmacy. I want to explain my problem clearly and understand the pharmacist's advice. Can you help me, please?
Of course. When you explain a health problem, keep your sentences simple. You can say, I have a headache, I have a sore throat, or I have a fever. If the pain started recently, say, it started yesterday. Short, clear sentences are easy to understand.
I understand. Let me try. Hello, I have a sore throat and a headache. The pain started yesterday, and I don't feel very well today. Could you please recommend some medicine? I also want to know if I should rest or drink more water.
Excellent. Now, let's ask for medicine politely. You can say, can you recommend something for my sore throat? Or, what medicine should I take? Always be polite by using words like please and thank you. These expressions make conversations friendly.
Can you recommend something for my sore throat, please? I also have a mild headache. I would like medicine that is easy to take. Thank you for helping me. I really want to improve my English while learning useful conversations for everyday life.
Great job. After receiving medicine, listen carefully to the instructions. You may hear, take 1 tablet twice a day after meals. If you don't understand, politely ask, could you repeat that, please? Asking questions is always okay.
Thank you. Let me repeat the instructions. I should take 1 tablet twice a day after meals and drink plenty of water. If I'm not sure, I'll ask, could you repeat that, please? Now I feel much more confident speaking English.
You're improving quickly, Sarah. Before we finish, let's review today's vocabulary. Pharmacy, medicine, headache, sore throat, fever, tablet, prescription, and dosage. Practice these words every day, repeat them aloud, and you'll remember them naturally.
Thank you, Adam. Today I learned how to greet a pharmacist, explain my symptoms, ask for medicine politely, and understand the instructions. I'll practice these conversations every day so I can speak English confidently in real-life situations.
Welcome back, Sarah. In this lesson, we'll continue our pharmacy conversation. Sometimes medicine can cause side effects, so it's important to ask questions. You can politely say, are there any side effects? Or, is this medicine safe for me? Clear questions help you stay informed and speak English confidently.
Thank you, Adam. Let me try. Are there any side effects with this medicine? I want to know if it may make me sleepy or upset my stomach. If I notice anything unusual, what should I do? I think asking these questions is very important before taking any medicine.
Excellent. Now let's talk about buying health products. Pharmacies also sell vitamins, cough drops, thermometers, face masks, and hand sanitizer. You can ask, where can I find vitamins? Or, which product do you recommend? Speak slowly and pronounce each word clearly.
I'd like to buy a thermometer and some vitamins, please. Which vitamins do you recommend for daily use? I also need a box of face masks and hand sanitizer. Thank you for explaining these useful products. I'm learning many new English words today.
Great job. Now let's practice paying. You can ask, how much is the total? If you pay by card, say, can I pay by card? If you pay with cash, simply hand over the money and say, here you are. Don't forget to ask, may I have the receipt, please?
Thank you. How much is the total? I'd like to pay by card, please. May I have the receipt? Thank you very much for your help and your kindness. I feel much more comfortable using English during everyday shopping situations like this.
Wonderful. Before leaving the pharmacy, always end the conversation politely. You can say, thank you for your help, have a nice day, or goodbye. These simple expressions leave a positive impression and make your English sound natural and friendly.
Thank you for your help today. I really appreciate your advice. Have a wonderful day, and goodbye. I enjoyed practicing this conversation because it feels like a real visit to a pharmacy. I feel more confident speaking English in everyday situations now.
Excellent work, Sarah. Let's finish with a speaking challenge. Imagine you're in a pharmacy alone. Greet the pharmacist, explain your problem, ask about side effects, buy a health product, pay for everything, and say goodbye politely. Repeat this role play every day to improve your fluency.
Hello, I have a cough and a sore throat. Can you recommend some medicine? Are there any side effects? I'd also like vitamins and a thermometer. How much is the total? I'll pay by card. May I have the receipt, please? Thank you for your help. Goodbye. I completed the challenge with confidence.
That's all for today's lesson. Great job practicing English at the pharmacy with us. Keep repeating these conversations to improve your speaking and listening skills every day.
Thanks for learning with us. If you enjoyed this episode, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. We'll see you in the next episode on English Podcast Home. Bye, everyone.